Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best espresso machines you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many espresso machines and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each espresso machines so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss the key things to consider when buying an espresso machine. Start by thinking about your budget, as espresso machines range from affordable manual models to expensive automatic ones. Next, consider how much control you want over the brewing process. Manual machines give you more customization, while automatic machines offer convenience. Pay attention to the machine's pressure, as consistent pressure is essential for a rich crema and balanced flavor. Also, check the build quality and durability, especially if you plan to use it daily. Look for features like a steam band if you enjoy milk-based drinks. Lastly, consider the size and maintenance requirements, since some machines need frequent cleaning or descaling. Choosing the right espresso machine depends on your preferences, routine, and taste expectations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful videos.